Hello friends. In this video, we will show you WhatsApp a new update about Create Call Link. Of course, WhatsApp is the most leading messenger mobile application across the globe, and its users cross 2 billion. WhatsApp always brings new updates for their users, and Create Call Link is the most recent update that rolled out for all users of WhatsApp. Once you go to WhatsApp Call tab, there you will see a new update as Create Call Link popped out. Being a WhatsApp user, you should know about this latest update. So to get to know about these new updates, let's get started. I am Jack from Educational Alliance. Let's go through these features to know what this update is and how it works. Create Call Link is the latest update. With the help of this one, now you can share your desired call with a link to anyone to connect with that call. As before, you had the option to invite participants to make a conference call. Means to say, now you can invite your loved one as single or as multiple peoples on call as conference call. Recipient will receive a message as call link and he or she can join your call. Call will be started when you want, and recipients have the choice to connect with this call by clicking the join button. In the same way, everyone will get a message to create a call link to whom you shared that link. Now let's go to the mobile screen to see how it works. Okay, this is a mobile screen. Click on WhatsApp app to open. Here a new feature pops out in the call section. Click at this link and you will be landing at this screen. Here you see some information is shown about these features, as anyone with WhatsApp can use this link to join this call. Only share it with people you trust. By clicking on call type, you can select the call type as video or audio that you want. By clicking here, you can share this call link via WhatsApp. You can copy this link by click it here, and then to share the copied link, click over here. Okay, I am going to share this link via WhatsApp. To do that, click it here, then select the contact person to whom share this link and click it here. Okay, now the link has been shared successfully. Let's check on another mobile as a recipient, as you see a new message received here. Now click it here to open this message, and then press on this shared link. At here, recipient can join this call by clicking at join button, and leave this call by clicking the leave button. So, I am clicking on join, and here a new dialog box has appeared. Here it is mentioned that screenshot recording cannot record on this call. Okay, now the recipient has joined this call and is waiting for the sender to connect this call. Let's go to the first mobile screen and start this call. Click at join call to join. As you can see, the call has started successfully, and communication is going on. Anyone can leave this call by clicking on the red button of call end here. That's it guys, as you see how this new update works. Thanks for watching this video.